आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपको सुस्वागतम. On 23rd of this month, August, we made history by landing on the moon. Chandrayaan 3 landed softly on the moon. We were very fortunate to have our Honorable Prime Minister, though away, he joined us live to greet us, to congratulate us, to be with us. And thank you so much for your presence during such a historic day. You promised us that you will come and meet us on that day. And you are here. And thank you so much for your gracious presence today amongst us. And today we look forward to your words of wisdom, your vision, your expectation from us. And for all those words, we are at ears to you. Honorable प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपको मेरा स्वागत इसरो में ये कंट्रोल सेंटर में. Thank you, sir. So we are seeing the ramp being deployed now. This is animation. We'll see the real. Next solar panel of the ramp of the rover, Chandrayaan opens. Then it establishes communication with the lander. Then it slowly comes out. Now the rover has already moved 12 meters. So we'll see the onboard camera visuals. So this is a camera mounted on the side just before the ramp deployment. So what you're seeing is the deployment of the ramp with the rover mounted on that. The solar panel of the rover is deployed already and it is getting released and moving towards moon, sir. So these images take a lot of time to come to Earth because data rate and processing. So now this is the early morning image of today morning. The rover is almost out of the field of view. It will turn in the day today and look at the lander and take more pictures. Thank you.
नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स। आप सभी के बीच आकर आज एक अलग ही खुशी महसूस कर रहा हूं। शायद ऐसी खुशी बहुत रेयर ओकेजन होते हैं जब तन मन खुशियों से भर गया हो। और व्यक्ति के जीवन में कई बार ऐसी घटनाएं घटती हैं कि वो बेसब्री हावी हो जाती है। इस बार मेरे साथ भी ऐसा ही हुआ है। इतनी बेसब्री, मैं साउथ अफ्रीका में था, फिर ग्रीस का कार्यक्रम था तो वहां चला गया, लेकिन मेरा मन पूरी तरह आपके साथ ही लगा हुआ था। लेकिन कभी कभी लगता है कि मैं आप लोगों के साथ अन्याय कर देता हूं। बेसब्री मेरी और मुसीबत आपकी। इतनी सवेरे सवेरे आप सभी को, और इतना और टाइम, लेकिन बस मन कर रहा था जाऊं आपको नमन करूं। आपको दिक्कत हुई होगी, लेकिन मैं भारत में आते ही जल्द से जल्द आपके दर्शन करना चाहता था।